go, guys. Start with the one on the right. Headshot. Holy crap. Alright, let's try the left one now. One more. Darn. Darn. Holy crap, that last one had probably 2.5 pounds in it, and it pretty much disintegrated that whole snowman. That one had about maybe 1.5 pounds. This one probably had closer to 3 pounds. You could tell the difference. Ain't much left of that one. Well, it's pretty cool. I'm glad we finally got some snow here in Oklahoma, enough to build those snowmen. Been wanting to blow some up like that with Tannerite for a long time, but past few years we just haven't had enough snow to do it. All right, well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.
I am what I am, and that's all that I am. I am what I am, I'm a hooligan. I am what I am, and that's all that I am. I am what I am, I'm a hooligan.